Okay, you ready now? Big smile.
No, Marion. Today we're going to make coconut sweet chili chicken on one tray. Going to be beautiful, just like Noi. One tray, no dishes. Who like washing dishes anywhere? I show you the way. Now let's cooking. I got a chicken piece here. I want a lot of flavor. I'm gonna cut the chicken. Put on a tray. Now another piece. I use chicken thigh and drumstick. You can use any chicken you like. Now I'm going to use coconut sweet chili. So much flavor, a lot of tangy. Shake it up. Pour over the chicken. That's good dipping sauce, but good marinade too. Gonna make chicken sweet and tangy. I'm also going to add a little bit salt, a little bit turmeric, and a little bit paprika. I like the color. Oh, gonna make my chicken very nice. Now use your hand and mix it up. Make sure you got all the flavor in the chicken, like a little massage. Now I'm gonna wash my hand. Make sure you people clean. See, all clean. Now I'm gonna make my vegetable. You can use any one you like, but today I'm using sweet potato. Cut into the nice chunk. I leave the skin on, a little healthy for you. You listen to the noise. Put on a tray with the chicken, twist it around. Now some red onion. See, look at how easy. Sprinkle a little bit oil. Okay, ready for the oven. Roast in the oven 1 hour, or till chicken is cooked. Oh, just look at that. Amazing. No one tray chicken. I like a little bit green color. I put a coriander on top. Or some people call taranto. Just spring on top. Oh, look at that. Everyone gonna be happy. Another winner from Noi.